Hello friends, how are you once again? In this video I'm going to calculate the air velocity of, of the air duct in an HVAC equipment. So this is another review for your refrigeration HVAC red seal exam, and I'll start with a sample problem. Here's the sample problem. Calculate the air velocity in the air duct of an HVAC equipment if a pitot tube connected to an inclined manometer gauge reads 0.2-inch water column. A pitot tube is an instrument for measuring the static pressure and velocity or total pressure of an air duct. So in here, where we need to analyze the given, we are given a velocity pressure, or the delta P, difference in velocity pressure, as 0.2 inch of water column as measured by the pitot tube. So the solution is a direct substitution to Bernoulli's equation. So from Bernoulli's equation, V is equal to 4005 times square root of PV. So where 1005 is a constant, V is the air velocity in FPM, feet per minute. PV is the velocity pressure, or the delta P in inches of water column. Okay, so substituting the given into the formula, we only have one given, which is 0.2-inch water column velocity pressure. Substituting that into this formula here, so we've got V is equal to 4005 times square root of PV. P is equal to 4005 times square root of 0.2 is equal to 4005 times 0.44721, and we got the final answer of 1791 feet per minute of air velocity. So another problem here, sample problem number 2. Got calculate the air velocity in the air duct of an HVAC equipment if the change in velocity pressure is 0.35 inch water column. So pretty much the same problem as sample problem number 1, but the velocity pressure is 0.35 inch water column. So we expect that the air velocity would be higher in this case. So that's our given, 0.35 inch water column. And again, substituting the given into Bernoulli's equation, with V is equal to 4005 times square root of PV. Substituting the given into the formula, we got V is equal to 4005 times square root of PV. V is equal to 4005 times square root of 0.35. V is equal to 4005 times 0.59161, giving us a final answer of 2369 feet per minute of air velocity in the duct of the given HVAC equipment. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you learned something from this simple calculation, just substituting directly into Bernoulli's formula, Bernoulli's equation. So yeah, happy reviewing and wish you all the best in your Red Seal exam. Cheers and have a good one.